Hello students, I will continue the 7th chapter in this class. Let us see other divisions. A rope of length 8.4 meters is cut into 0.4 meters. 0.4 meters long pieces. How many pieces can we make? Here is a question. A rope of length 8.4 meters is cut into 0.4 meters long pieces. How many pieces can we make? Here we have to divide 8.4 by 0.4. 8.4 meter means we already know that 840 centimeter. 0.4 meter means 40 centimeter. So here we have to divide 840 divided by 40. 40 2 times 80. 84 minus 80 is 4. The 0 we should write here. 40 1 times 40. So what is the answer here? 21. We can make 21 pieces. We can make 21 pieces. Otherwise we can write like this. 8.4 we can write 84 by 10. Here 4, this digit's place value is 1 by 10. So we have to write here 10. 0.4 means we can write 4 by 10. So next step. Here you can see 4 by 10. We should write here in reciprocal method into 10 by 4. 84 into 10. It's 4 by 10. We should write as 10 by 4. So 84 into 10, 840. 840 divided by 40 is 21. Like this also we can find out the answer. Let us see another question. 36.75 divided by 0.5. How can we find out this? Here 36.75 we can write 3675 by, here this digit's place value is 1 by 100. So we should write here 100. Here 0.5 we can write 5 by 10. This digit's place value is 1 by 10. So we should write here 10. Next step is 10 we should write here, 5 we should write here. So 5 by 10 by 5. So 3675 into 10 is 36,750 divided by 500. We have to find out the answer. 36750 divided by 500. Here 5 sevens are 507 times 3500. 6 minus 5 is 1. The 7 we should write here. This 5 we should write here. And this 0. Here 1750. 503 times 1500. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. So, you can see here 250. 250 is the small number. So, we cannot divide by 500. So, we have to put 0 here, point here, decimal point here. So, 500, 5 times 2500. Remainder 0. So what is the answer here? 73.5. 36.75 divided by 0.5. Answer 73.5. Is it clear? Let us see another question. 48.72 divided by 0.12. So here this digits place values 1 by 100. So we can write 4872 by 100 divided by, here two place value is 100. So 12 by 100. Next step, by 100 into 100, 12. So we can strike the 0 here. So 4872 divided by 12 is 12. 4 times 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. Next number is 7. 7 is the small number, so we cannot divide. So we have to write this number. We have to put 0 here. 12, 6 times 72. 72 minus 72 is 0. So what is the answer? 406. 48.72 divided by 0.12. Answer 406. Is it clear? The area of a rectangle is 3.25 square meter. Its length is 2.5. Its length is 2.5 centimeter. What is its breadth? How can we find out? Area 3.25 and its length is 2.5. So here we have to find out the breadth of the rectangle. To find out breadth, we have to divide area by length. 3.25 we can write. Here 5, this number's place value is 1 by 100. So we have to write here 100. Here 25 by 10. So next step is 325 by 100 into 10 by 25. So here 25 13 times 325. 10 times 100. So we can write like this, 13 by 10. 13 by 10 means 1.3 centimeter. 13 by 10 means 1.3 centimeter. So breadth of this rectangle is 1.3 centimeter. Is it clear? Let us see fractions and decimals. 1 by 2. We can write as 5 by 10. Its decimal form is 0.5. Half we can write like this, 0.5. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 we can write 25 by 100. 1 by 4 we can write 25 by 100. So 0.25. Its decimal form is 0.25. How can we write 3 by 4? 1 by 4 means 25 by 100. So 3 by 4, 75 by 100. 0.75. 3 by 4, its decimal form is 0.75. How can we write 1 by 8 in decimal form? 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. To get 1000, we have to multiply by 3, 5. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. 125 into 8 is 1000. So this we can write 2 into 5 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. So 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 into 10 100, 100 into 10 is 1000. So here we have to find out 1 by 8. Here 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So 1 by 5, 8 is equal to 1 by 8 we can write 100. 1 we can write 125. So 8, 125 into 8. So 125 by 1000. 1 by 8 we can write 125 by 1000. So its decimal form 0.125. You can see here 1000. So last digit place value must be 1 by 1000. Last digit place value must be 1 by 1000. So here this number's place value is 1 by 10. Here 1 by 100. Next one is 1000. So we have to put decimal point here 0.125. Is it clear? How can we write this? 125 into 5. 125 into 8. So 125 into 5 is 625. So 125 into 8 is 1000. So 5 by 8, this fraction's decimal form is 0.625. Here you can see 1000. So last digit's place value must be 1 by 1000. So here 1 by 10, 6 place value. This digit's place value is 1 by 10. Next 1 by 100. Last 1 by 1000. So we have to put decimal point after 0. Is it clear? What is the decimal form of 1 by 40? 1 by 40. How can we write that? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 is 40. To get 1000, we have to multiply by 2 5s. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So this we can write 2 into 5 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. So 10 into 10 is equal to 1000. So 1 by 40 we can write here 5 into 5 is 25. So 20. So here we should write 5 into 5 is 25. Next 40 into 25 is 1000. So to get 1000 we have to multiply by 2 5s. For example 40 into 25 is 1000. So here 25 by 1000. So 1 by 40 decimal form, its decimal form 0.025. Here you can see 1000. So last digit's place value must be 1 by 1000. So here after 0 we have to put decimal point. Here 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. So we have to put dot or decimal point after 0. How can we write this in decimal form? 25 into 21, 40 into 25. So 25 into 21 is 525. 40 into 25 is 1000. Decimal form 0.525. 21 by 40 we can write in decimal form 0.525. Is it clear? Let us see some problems. 24 kilograms of sugar are packed into 25 packets of same size. 24 kilograms of sugar are packed into 25 packets of same size. How much does each packet contains? How can we find out the answer? 24 kilogram means we can write 24,000 gram. So they packed in 25 packets of the same size. So 24,000 divided by 25. What is the answer? 24,000 divided by 25. 25 times 225. So here 0. So we have to write like this. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the 0 we should write here. 25 6 times 150. 25 6 times 150. So 150 minus 150 is 0. 0 we have to write here. So 960. Each packet contains 960 gram. This we can say in kilogram, 0.96 kilogram. Each packet contains 0.96 kilogram. Is it clear? Let us find out the decimal form of some fractions. 3 by 5. 3 by 5. So 5 into 20 is 100. So when we multiply by same number, 3 into 20, 60. 3 by 5. To get the 100, we have to multiply by 20. So when we multiply by same number here, 3 into 20, we will get 60. So what is the decimal form of 3 by 5? 60 by 100, we can write 0.60. So decimal form of 3 by 5 is 0.60. 7 by 8. What is the decimal form of 7 by 8? 8 into 125 is 1000. We already know that 8 into 125 is 1000. So when we multiply by same number, 7 into 125, we will get 875 by 1000. Here 7 into 125 is 875. 8 into 125 is 1000. So we can write in decimal form like this. 7 by 8. Decimal form 0.875. Here last digit's place value is 1 by 1000. You can see here 1000. So we have to put decimal point here. Is it clear? 5 by 16. 1000 not getting in multiples of 16. So here 16 into 625 is 10,000. So when we multiply by same number here, 16 into 625 is 10,000. When we multiply by same number into 5, we get 3,125. So decimal form 0.3125. Last digit's place value is here 1 by 10,000. You can see here 10,000. So last digit place value must be 1 by 10,000. So we have to put decimal point here. Like this we can find out the decimal form of fractions. Is it clear? Okay students, next chapter we will discuss in next class. Notes and homework will send you in WhatsApp. Thank you.